Hi mga UVG, ako ulit. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung anong ganap. Energy update for our Virgins Collective. Siya nga po pala sa mga new subscriber. Thank you so much po sa suporta. Sa mga returning subscriber, thank you so much po. Okay, so stay connected po tayo. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. So, tingnan natin mga UVG. Either maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap mga ka-UVG. So, time is fluid. So, tingnan natin. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. Eight of Water. Walking away, Virgo. I'm walking away. Three of Water. Three of Cups. Celebration, reconciliation, community. Ten of Cups. Ooh. That's nice. Page of Air. So, meron ka ditong pinaplano or meron ka ditong inaaral for the future with the Ten of Water. Ten of Water is emotionally fulfilling, stable emotionally. Ten of Water is good feeling. Family, happy life. With the Three of Water, reconciliation with someone. But someone is walking away. Hindi ko alam kung sino mag-walk out. Either you are going to walk out or someone is walking out of your life and you are enjoying here, Virgo. Someone or ikaw, either way, kung ikaw ang mag-walk out, you are going to be the best version of yourself here, Virgo. And you know that you can do things here if you walk away or if someone if someone walks away. Okay. But at the same time, study card, student card, page of air. We'll see. Tingnan natin. What else? Tell me more. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Tsaka wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. So, Six of Earth, generosity card. And the Tower card all of a sudden. So, there is unexpected, napaka-generous ng source sa'yo, Virgo. I think nafe-feel mo sa sarili mo na pumapabor ang source sa'yo, ang universe. Okay. The moment na mag-walk away ka into a certain situation or the moment na may nag-walk away sa certain buhay mo, hindi ko alam kung saang department yan, love department, work department, career, family, the moment may nag-walk away or the moment na nag-walk away ka sa sitwasyon, ay ang sarap ng feeling dito, Virgo. Three of Water, you will going to celebrate talking to someone very long time na hindi basta there is a reconciliation, basta you can do a lot of things here, Virgo. Ten of Water, you're feeling good, and now I'm feeling good. Something that energy, Virgo. Something in that energy that you are gonna be feeling good the moment you walk away or the moment na may nag-walk away sa buhay mo. Okay. So, this is very unexpected. You feel very, with the Earth card, you are pabor na pabor sa'yo ang universe or ang source. Okay. Dahil sa lakas loob mong nag-walk away or dahil sa lakas ng impact ng Tower card na kailangan hindi ko alam kung nag-pray ka or something na i-reveal sa'yo yung mga there's no longer serving your journey or your life. You know what I mean? Mga people, places, and things na hindi na-resonate sa'yo at all. And then you are going to be shocked na everything is falling into place and you are going to be feeling happy here, Virgo. Na masasabi mo, ang bait talaga ni Lord with the Six of Pentacles. This is my generosity card. And giving card. Okay, so the source will give you what you want. Just ask and you shall find, or just walk away into a certain place, things, person. Just walk away. Okay. You know that there is no growth into the situation. You need to walk away, or someone is going to be removed in your energetic field. And you're going to be feel happy, light, celebrated, appreciated. And mapapasabi ka na lang, bait talaga ni Lord, or ang bait talaga ng source, ang bait talaga ng tadhana sa akin today, kind of energy. Okay. So, what else? But with the Page of Swords, meron kang inaaral dito, or someone is studying you, or maybe ikaw ay meron kang gustong i-discover or ini-explore. Okay. Getting to know. My internet card is Page of Swords, student card. So, let's see what else. Oh, Four of Earth. Saving, holding on into something. What else? Ten of Air. Cycle has been accomplished. Eight of Air. And the Seven of Fire. Together with the Temptation. Okay. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, merong someone is stuck on the situation that you are happy. And the thoughts, okay, yung isip dito na magiging masaya ka the moment na may mag-walk away ka, the moment na lumayas ka, or the moment na may lumayas sa buhay mo. Meron ditong napapaisip, okay, na stuck siya sa mentality na you are happy. And feeling stabbed in the back siya with the celebration card. Feeling stabbed in the back, 10 of air, lying, cheating, stealing. Nag-holding, mayroong grudge dito, hindi garahe. Okay, merong may sama ng loob dito, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung sino to. Pero definitely, pag ikaw ay masaya, merong isang person dito na nagpa-plot. I mean, stuck sa sitwasyon, or stuck sa thoughts na you are going to be happy the moment na mag-walk away ka sa sitwasyon, or someone is going to walk away into your life, like for good. And with the Seven of Fire, there is a fight here. I mean, taking a risk. Seven of Fire is harvest also for me sa traditional tarot. And the Temptation card. Seven of Fire is merong mag-try dito na ilaban ang sitwasyon. Okay, na hindi ka mag-walk away, or na hindi siya mag-walk away. Okay. Natitintasyonan eh. Natitintasyonan, no, I'm gonna stay. Or maybe natitintasyonan na, no, there is nothing here. Okay. There is a temptation here, very strong, Virgo, na pag nag-decide ang person na to na magstay, alam niya kung anong magiging resulta eh. Parang in-stab niya lang in the back yung sarili niya dito because of what? Thinking of you, that you are happy and abundant. She's not, or he is not thinking about himself. Okay. Busy siya sa kakatingin sa'yo. Okay. Sa kakaisip ng magiging sitwasyon mo. Hindi ko alam kung sinong pinapoint out ko dito, pero there is someone here specifically, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung siblings, lover, coworker, hindi ko alam kung saan department yan, pero the moment na maisip niya na you are going to walk away or mag-resign ka, or I don't know where you go, Virgo, or maybe someone is decided or nakadestined na mag-move away sa energetic field mo or sa buhay mo, doon siya napapaisip na yun, your life is gonna be good without this person. And alam mo yun, nararamdaman mo, at alam niya din yun actually. You know what I mean? So, meron talagang temptation dito na ipaglaban. Seven of Fire is Seven of Wands. Okay, Seven of Wands is own perspective 'to ng person na 'to. Seven of Wands is nasa high ground siya, hindi niya nakikita kung ano, madilim dito sa baba. Hindi niya alam kung anong babagsakan niya dito, pero natitintasyon siyang mag-attempt, eh. Hindi niya alam 'pag inattempt niya 'tong risk of Seven of Fire na 'to, Eight of Air ang babagsakan niya. Eight of Air meaning stuck na siya. Kasi bakit siya na-stuck? Okay. Kasi kakaisip sa'yo with the Ten of Cups, you're happy, you're doing good. You are being with the generosity card, you're not even paying attention to those people. Ang intention mo lang dito is nagdasal ka na sana Lord, remove all of those people na no longer serving in my highest good. And then boom, God show you the way. Okay. And then meron kang eagerness na to walk away into a certain situation, people, mentally, emotionally, energetically. Or maybe, kung hindi mo kayang gawin yun dahil alam naman ni Lord kung sino at saan at anong dapat gawin, baka yun na ang gagawa ng paraan, ang universe, ang source, si Lord na ang gagawa ng paraan na i-remove sa'yo yung mga person na nire-request mo or places na nire-request mo, things na hindi na nagre-resonate sa energetic field mo. And now all of a sudden, this person is gonna feel anxiety. Makaka-feel siya dito ng holding on with the Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles is holding on into something. Ten of Air, feeling stabbing in the back. With who? With the Three of Cups. Three of Cups is reconciliation, community, tropa, or something. You know what I mean? Feeling betrayed. And the moment na natitintasyonan siyang mag-stay with the Seven of Fire, dun siya malalaglag sa Eight of Air. Stuck siya ngayon, okay? Kasi ang thoughts niya is nasa situation about you. She is not even, or he is not paying attention sa kung anong buhay niya. Lagi siyang nakatingin sa kabila, another side of the... Di ko alam kung anong... Napaka-selfish naman kung lover to, Virgo. Kung meron kang lover, ito ang person na ayaw mag-heal ng sarili niya. Okay, na laging nakadepende, codependent person, very codependent. Nakadepende na lang sa energy mo. Okay. Na, I don't know, there is something about you na parang nagaganahan siya when it comes to life, Virgo. Energy vampire siguro tong ano na to eh. Hindi lang makapokus sa sarili niyang daan. Kailangan niya talagang tumingin sa daan mo kung ano bang dadaanan mo, may tamtaks ba, may ano ba, kung may tamtaks, hindi ko alam kung masaya ba siya kung makaapak ka ng tamtaks or pako or something. Baka, number one fan mo to, yun ang masasabi ko. Number one fan, at saka gusto niyang nakaabang siya lagi, hindi ko alam kung teleserye or what or something. You know what I mean, Virgo? I don't know kung sino sa'yo yan, so kaya siguro meron kang the student card. Okay, together with the justice. Oh, justice will be served, as I said, Virgo. So when it comes to legalities with the justice card, if you are dealing with the legalities, Virgo, paperwork, gobyerno, or something, it will be on your favor. If you are dealing without any of I mentioned, mga legalities or something, definitely this is a karma kind of energy. If you feel you are doing good, you are being generous, you are feeling happy in any way, shape, or form for everybody, for everyone, even if they don't deserve, then you are good. Okay, karma will come to you overflow with the Ten of Cups. Together with Three of Cups, people will celebrate you that your generosity and people are going to do the same, na magiging generous din sa energy mo. Collaboration, in a very unexpected way, okay. But if you are in this energy dito sa baba, na lagi kang nakatingin sa kapitbahay mo, lagi kang nakatingin sa lover mo, na ay, sasaya siya kapag ka umalis ako or something, ay, sasaya siya. Kahit alam mong na suffocate ka na tapos nag-i-stay ka pa rin kasi baka iniisip mo, ay, baka lumandi siya sa iba or baka basta masaya siya, baka pa. No, Virgo. Justice is here, knocking at your door. Let it go and let it fly. Kasi ang ending, mai-stuck ka lang sa loop. Mai-stuck ka lang, hindi ka magpo-prosper, hindi mo makukuha kung anong gusto mo. Because it's not meant for you. If you are in this energy, temptation, don't do that, Virgo. Even if sasabihin mo, ay magte-take a risk, there is a risk. Kaya ko naman yung risk eh. Kaya ko namang kahit hindi mo alam kung anong magiging posibilidad. Pero I think iba yung vision mo sa reality. Okay, you know what I mean, Virgo? If you are here in this energy down, so don't take it personally, Virgo. I'm just telling the possibility if you are in the energy of tempting, na tempted ka na magstay na kahit alam mo it's not working anymore or toxic environment na or people and places and things. Pipilitin mo pa rin yung sarili mong magstay and then you're gonna be stuck up like 8 years, cycle 10 years kind of energy. If you're going to hold on into something na alam mo no longer serving na. Okay. Pero if you are a Virgo na masaya ka para sa mga people na umaalis sa buhay mo, masaya ka sa mga people na at least binigyan ka ng lesson, at least binigyan ka ng something good, valuable na character na isa sa mga nagpa-build ng character mo, then karma is gonna bless you like a lot, more than you expect, Virgo. Okay. So, with the Two of Earth, someone is trying their best or ikaw trying your best into what, Virgo? What? Let's see. Two of Water. Trying your best with the Two of Water. Messenger of Water. Five of Air. Queen of Fire. And the Patience card. Okay. You are trying your best here, Virgo. Okay. With the King of Earth. Meron ditong mentality na with the Two of Water and the Messenger of Water. This is Knight of Cups at saka Two of Cups. Confrontation. Queen of Fire is very fiery, hot, go-getter, action taker. Together with the King of Earth. King of Earth is stable, entrepreneurial mindset, using the heart over head. Virgo, generous as well. King of Earth is an authority figure, but with finances, with groundedness. Okay, ang King of Earth as sa perception ko. But with the Queen of Fire, ang Queen of Fire is passion, desire, go-getter, action. Okay. Doing it patiently. Okay, which is a beautiful thing. Ang combination na to. Napaka-sexy. Okay. But with the Five of Air is mentally conflicted, confrontation. Two of Cups at saka Knight of Cups. Someone here is conflicted of themselves on how napaka-irresistible mo. You know what I mean? There is something about you that's so irresistible that this person cannot say, nilalabanan niya yung feeling niya dito. This can go either way, either ikaw or the person that you're connecting with. Someone here is very irresistible. Sorry. Very irresistible, very charming, together with the femininity is there and the masculinity as well. Why is that? Very balanced. 4 and plus 1 is 5. This is all about changes. The moment na maka-encounter ka ng person, something is awakening. You bring awakening. You are the walking awakening. If that makes sense. Meron bang ganong word? Broken English na naman ako, Day. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang dalang pagbabago. The moment na maka-encounter ka ng someone, girl, man or woman, you bring something in their life. Okay. Ganito ang life nila. Tapos ikaw tong tuldok. Pero tuldok ka lang, pero meron talagang kirot, merong pagbabago, merong meron kang dalang ibang feeling. You bring out the best on the another awakening. Let's just say awakening. Sabihin natin tong puting table na to na kinalalagyan na ano natin. Analogy ko lang ikaw tong maitim na pilit-pilit ba't parang hindi matanggal? Anong spray nang ginamit mo? Tas you feel this feeling na kailangan, bakit kasi nandito 'to? Pero 'pag tiningnan mo siya from afar, parang okey naman siya kasi parang naging design, you know what I mean? Kasi ang white, kung makikita mo 'tong table, boring kasi walang style, pero used to it ka kasi favorite color mo, you know what I mean? White ang favorite color mo, ayaw mo ng may mga tuldok-tuldok. Pero the moment na, nakita mo siya, para bagang ano kaya kung maglagay ako ng design. Yung tuldok na yun nilagyan mo na ng mga petals of flower kasi hindi na siya matanggal, nandun na siya talaga nakakapit, like gano'ng analogy, Virgo. Na kailangan naki-encounter ka ng mga person pero meron kang hatid na pagbabago, okey. Kahit na umalis ka na, kahit na mawala ka na, meron kang iniiwan na bakat, okey. So, gano'ng klase ka, okey. So, someone is conflicted here. Why is this feeling is here with the Knight of Cups and the Two of Cups, the chemistry. Ito bang person na 'to coming from my past life, or ito bang person na 'to connected ba kami in some point? Parang there is something awakening happening into these people na nai-encounter mo. Dinidisturbo mo ang kaluluwa, dinidisturbo mo ang peace nila, you know what I mean? Together with the King of Earth, merong gustong mag-offer ng stability dito, Virgo, or makipag-partnership when it comes to finances or career, Virgo. Just let me know. What else? The Moon card, Ten of Earth, Emperor. Wow, there is a boss energy, Virgo, or maybe you are bossing up. Justice again. This is your destiny, Virgo. You are destined to be a boss. Okay. And for some of you, for now, hidden, kasi kailangan mong i-align ang energetic field mo, or maybe some people that you are destined to connect with, okay, para i-connect yung dot. So, mai-reveal sa'yo kung ano ang destination mo, kung ano ba ang purpose mo in this lifetime. I think naka-destiny kang maging boss, be your own boss, create a generational wealth from those people, be generous for those people who in need. Okay, mga frontliners diyan, hindi naman natin sabihin financially, but energetically, okay, compassion, service. Virgo talaga is act of service, yun ang love language nila. Okay, but there is some specific or certain situation that you need to walk away, or someone is gonna remove or tatanggalin. Merong na hindi, no longer serving in your energy. It is what it is, Virgo. So, universe ang gagalaw. So, yeah, Virgo, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. Let's see. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better lang next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Communication is the key, Virgo. And personal issues reaches resolution. Okay. And work through your fears. Bottom of the deck. We have hold on to your vision. So for some of you, Virgo, dahil sa advice na to, kailangan mo, communication is the key. Okay? Or maybe someone, okay, may gustong makapag-communicate sa'yo, but at the same time is skeptical with the work through your fears. Because this is a personal issues reaches resolution. So, kailangan merong mai-address dito when it comes to personal issues. Okay, but in some point, you have to hold on to your vision. Either you are going to communicate or no. It depends into the situation, Virgo. So, let's see. What else? What is the angel message number? You have 9, 5, 7. 957, Virgo. 957. Google mo siya, angel message number 957, Virgo. Maaaring makarasa din sa sitwasyon mo. So, yes, this is what I have for you. So, thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo, and bye for now.